Top 15 highest paying jobs of 2019 according to Glassdoor. Number 15, plant manager. Median salary, $104,817. Companies hiring: Stepan, Albertsons Companies, Cascades, Aspen Medical Products, R.W. Garcia Inc. and more. Number 14, data architect. Median salary, $104,840. Companies hiring: Soho Dragon, Propeller Health, Driscoll Children's Hospital, Click, Nerdery. Number 13, solutions architect. Median salary, $106,436. Companies hiring: Cerner, PwC, Stanley Black & Decker, and more. Number 12, applications development manager. Median salary, $107,735. Companies hiring: CADP, Learning.com, STR, Delta Dental, Discover, and more. Number 11, nurse practitioner. Median salary, $109,481. Companies hiring: Innova, University of Puget Sound, Johns Hopkins Community Physicians, Emergency Medicine Associates, and more. Number 10, software development manager. Median salary, $109,809. Companies hiring: Experian, Fundera, Meridian Link, Pariveda Solutions, Plymouth Rock Assurance. Number 9, corporate controller. Median salary, $113,368. Companies hiring: Smule, Vology, Inflection, Minted, Nortrax. Number 8, physician assistant. Median salary, $113,855. Companies hiring: Team Health, Bosley, Zoom Care, Premise Health, Children's Hospital, Omaha. Number 7, software engineering manager. Median salary, $114,163. Companies hiring: Invoca, Reddit, Isotope, Carbon Black, Rally Health, and more. Number 6, corporate counsel. Median salary, $117,588. Companies hiring: Porch, Greenhouse Software, KnowBe4, Salesforce, EverCommerce, and more. Number 5, enterprise architect. Median salary, $122,585. Companies hiring: Verizon, DTCC, Health Edge Software, New Wave Solutions, ABOT. Number 4, pharmacists. Median salary, $126,438. Companies hiring: SCL Health, Northside Hospital, Presbyterian Healthcare Services, Stanford Healthcare. Number 3, dentist. Median salary, $142,478. Companies hiring: Caris Dental, Sage Dental, Smile Brands, Western Dental Services, Dental Care Alliance. Number 2, pharmacy manager. Median salary, $144,768. Companies hiring: Safeway, AIDS Healthcare Foundation, Mid-Michigan Health, Mayo Clinic, and more. Number 1, physician. Median salary, $193,415. Companies hiring: Total Access Urgent Care, Functional Medicine Physician, U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. Everyone wants to make money from home, travel around the world, and get passive income every day. Subscribe on my channel FreelanceLife, and I will share with you how I start to work from home and earn more than $40,000 only on one freelance website. What you need to do for starting to get your first money on freelance. If you really want to change your life and want to make money online as freelancer, you can see my next videos. How to make $40,000 on video production. How to make $20,000 on graphic design. How to earn $10 per hour by listening to recordings. Thank you for watching.